Hi, welcome to my channel, Sticking with Steve. Today I'm going to be decorating my social media planner. Okay, so today we are decorating my social media planner, and this is going to be, I'm going to be using it for, can't even talk. What I'm trying to say is I am going to be using stickers from Blissful Jade Designs, which I PR for. This month of June is my last month on her PR team. It's been a rewarding experience for sure. I've never been on a PR team before, so it's been really nice to get it and to experience what it's like to do PR work for a company. Through June, if you use Steve15, you'll get 15% off. And in the comments, you can request my freebie, which is this fun freebie. I love it. It's got so many elements that I love. All right, we're going to be using stickers from this Emerald Dreams kit. These are the 3 pages I have left of elements to use, and they're just so pretty. Such a pretty elements. So we are going to use it up. The nice thing about her kits is she's got so many stickers in each kit that you can easily do several spreads using her kits. I don't know how many spreads I've made with this particular kit. Maybe this is either my 3rd or 4th one. I can't remember exactly, but I know depending on how little stickers you use or how many stickers you use, you can get quite a bit out of her stickers or out of her kits because she has so many elements in each one. I definitely recommend checking her out. She's been branching out into some new things, like some card making kits, some junk journaling things. She's been doing some charms and earrings and things like that that she wants to do in her shop. So keep an eye out at her. I'll link her shop below. I'll link this kit below too. And you can check it out if you're interested to get or pick up something. Oh, Roy T. Let's decorate. This is so pretty. I would love to be sitting in that little swing. However, I do sometimes get motion sick, and I could see myself getting really sick. But it would be really fun until I got sick. Okay, I want to put these floral elements down here on the sides to kind of encompass everything. Florals are not necessarily my favorite aspects, but I want to put them in to kind of hem in, and then I usually put something over here. She always has these hearts, and I definitely want to put that in there because that is her, it's like, you could say it's like her trademark. Although I have seen other sticker companies use some of those. Okay. I'm gonna put this right up here. And this little kitty sleeping on the pillow. So adorable. I'm gonna put her sitting there, but actually before I put that down, I wanna put this like beautiful tree house kind of in the background. So we're gonna pretend that that is in the background and she is in the foreground. I want to put this book, actually I think I'm going to put it like that, and then I'll cut off that bottom part. I want to put this quote that says, "Every time you open a book, the magic falls out," right there. And I do have this one little snow globe left. I think I want to put it right down here. I'll just put a few of these little sparklies. This turned out really good. I wasn't sure exactly how it was going to look, but I really like it. I think it's beautiful. Such a pretty kit. Last night my friend came over. She is, I believe she's a millennial, and she had never seen the movie Fried Green Tomatoes. And I was like, what? So of course I had to show it to her. One of the great films of the 90s. In my humble opinion, anyway. It's one of my favorites. I love the novel, too. I've read, the author who wrote that novel, I've read every book she's put out, and I really like her as an author. I don't always love... I'm going to save this text thing for background for a future spread. Because I like that. I don't want to lose it. But I don't have anything. I'm not going to use it today. Oops. I almost lost this heart. I want to put that right down here. And then I don't have a thing for Night Out or Kitty Snuggles. So I think I'm going to let those go. But I really like how this turned out. This is really pretty. Okay, so let's color in the boxes. I like to add some color to the boxes. Let's put the dates in, and I'm going to do gold dates because of the colors in this. I think gold will blend really well. I think I want to use these. Yeah. So we're starting on Monday the 15th. Oop. If you don't keep up on Fannie Flagg, who wrote the book Fried Green Tomatoes, I don't know if you've ever read it, but I love the book too. It's really, really good, so I recommend it. She wrote a sequel. It came out a few years ago. It's called Wonder Boy of Whistle Stop, and I thought it was good. Not as good, obviously, as the original, but I thought it was good, and I thought it was a well-done book. So I recommend it if you are interested. Today, my collab with my friend Susan went public, so go watch it. Go watch her video, give her all the love. She's so much fun. I just really like collabing with her, so I always appreciate that she likes doing them. I'm gonna look through these boxes and see if there's any green. I might have used all the greens, but I wanna see if there's any greens that might match with this. I don't know that there are. This one's not bad, but it's too big. Okay, no. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Mojo Jojo plans. There's some dark green ones in here that I think will be fine. Yeah, these ones will go good. Okay, so my normal days are Friday and Wednesday and Monday. Hopefully one of these days I'll get another Jesus in the Old Testament filmed, but I have not done that in a while and I need to get back to that. Okay, so these are my normal days. Everything's about to, everything's going to change, however, when my... Oh, I just need the boxes for here, so let me find some boxes that'll go there. Everything will be changing once I stop PRing for Blissful Jade Designs, because I'm not going to keep up on a... What do you call this? Social media planner, because I have no reason to. Once my commitment to Blissful Jade Designs is over. So that means my video output is going to change. It's going to be a little different, which is okay. Change is inevitable. It's part of life, part of the rhythms of life. I actually considered getting rid of my channel altogether. However, I think I'm going to keep it, at least for now. Okay. I just hit 300 followers or subscribers on YouTube, so thank you so much for those of you who subscribe. If you haven't subscribed and you watch my videos, please consider subscribing. Okay, so I'm going to write in here collabs. And I've got Cindy and Karen coming up. I have Susan coming up, because we do a monthly one. I have Cynthia from Sinfully Planned. I have Christy from Kitty Plans. Michael has expressed interest, but we have yet to work that out. And then I also have Lori Dean Plans. She said that we could do one at one point. So those are the people I know for sure that I've got down. Backup videos or backlog videos. I know I have 2 decorating my giveaway planner. And I'm not sure what else I'm going to have there. This is my to-do list. I always, every week, I need to film a plan with me for catch-all. Is there another? Oh yeah, there's another week for the, what do you call it? Social media. And then I need to do Jesus in the Old Testament, which it's been a while since I've done that, but I keep thinking I need to get that done, but I've just been really busy and I need my downtime too. Okay, I think for the 19th, let me look at my, yeah, Kitty Plans and I, or Christy from Kitty Plans and I are doing this day. So collab, it's going to be my catch-all planner. So it's a catch-all plan with me, kitty plans. And we are using the Blissful Jade Designs Seashore set. Wednesday will be my social media planner. And then Monday will be a miscellaneous video. And I'm not sure exactly which one that will be. I think it's going to be updating my Travel the World passport. But I'm going to leave that blank just in case I have to change it. Then I don't have to white it out later. I'm going to put Instagram for my social media planner spread from the previous week, and Instagram catch-all planner spread. So that is what I know for a fact that I have going on. So that is what I know. So I think this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Please like my video and subscribe. Please leave me a comment if you want to get in touch. All these things do help us as content creators. It helps get our channels out into a better algorithm, because the more the algorithm sees that people are engaging, the more it pushes us out further. And so please consider those. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Drop me a green something in your comments just to see. I'm just curious to know who stayed through the whole thing. So anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye.